Alright folks, it's Laurie here. I have literally just renamed 30 projects in the new Xcode version, which is slight changes, and I realised it is very difficult to get your head around what's going on from posts everywhere. So I thought I would just make the most up-to-date how to rename your project and its folders in under 1 minute video. This is going to save someone's life out there, I hope. To say it certainly would have helped me. So I thought I'd put this out there for you all to have fun and enjoy. So basically, what you're going to want to do is head to your root directory and just change the folder name to be whatever you want your new project to be called. In this case, all I want to do is change this from complete to starter. Boom. Now, of course, that's not going to affect the rest of the files. So that's just change the actual folder. It's just a nice tidy thing to do. So we'll go ahead and open up the project. Okay, cool. So select your actual project here and head over to the identity and type, which you can make sure is open there. And all I'm going to do is change that word to starter. I'm going to select all, I'm going to copy it and push enter. The big key here I've discovered after wrecking so many projects is to wait. So even up-to-date MacBook Pros take their time to do this. So make sure you've got the right thing there. It'll find stuff that changed it's to change and just push rename and wait. Do not push OK. Let it do its thing. And there you go. It's done. Awesome. So that's us renamed the actual project, but you'll see that the actual structure still doesn't quite reflect that. So select that, and again, head over to here in the identity and type, and change it to your new name. Push enter, and wait a second for it to change here. And here we go. Awesome. So that's us got the project, the directories, the folder structure, and lastly, let's get the actual scheme changed. Head up to your scheme and select Manage Schemes. Select the scheme name, push enter, and change it. Same thing, copy paste. Excellent. All looking good here. Now if you try and build here, you'll see that there's going to be some issues. So if I type in what I had before, which was completed, you'll see that we have 3 things here that need to change. So if you don't know the previous project name, you can just see that 3 things are depending on this string being right, and it's basically the development assets. Development assets are new, thanks to Swift UI generating images that will only be used for previews but aren't shipped with the app. But it's a new thing to consider. Just change that root there to be the new one that you created, and that will find them just fine. Next, info plist. Every app needs an info.plist. Just change that to be the new one you made there, /info.plist. No problem. And finally, your bundle identifier. I just append this on the end, and just make sure that's up to date as well. And that's absolutely everything. You can build and run, and you'll see you've just renamed your project really quickly. I was doing it in under a minute, so I managed to do about 30 of them in just over an hour because I got stuck for the first few. The key is just to take your time and let things happen. Let it do its thing and don't rush it, and it'll be fine. If not, you'll have to reset everything. Anyway, I hope that helps some soul out there who's trying to rename stuff. Have a great day and take care.